I scare easy because I don't want to screw something up, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. Here's the edge of Steve's barn garage right here. Here's a lean. And Steve said he don't know us very well, so he trusts us. Sort of. Yeah. Howdy peeps and peoples, hope everybody's having a wonderful day. What we're doing is we're working on Big John. Robin is on Big John's property and he's getting ready to cross the line over onto Steve. These gum trees and a few sycamore and I think one poplar maybe. These gum trees are on the line. We need to get them off the line. Well, after I get my gloves. We need to get them off the line. Look how they're leaning towards his garage. I mean, it's ridiculous. These trees, they needed gone before now, but we're here now, and I trust Robin 100%, and between him and Roger, they'll keep me straight, and maybe we can get these trees out of here without damaging any property or hurting anybody or anything. But I'm trying to keep the production rolling because I am the only cutter on the job site on this job. So I need to not forget, watch the satellite dish. I need to not forget, I need to not screw around too much because I ain't got the time to give up. We need to kind of keep pressing on to keep the wood moving. At the same time, not tear anything of Steve's up. Break in here real quick and admit this would be a good video, but I don't do a lot of talking in it. I'm been editing on this thing for quite a while now, and I'm pretty much over it. If there's but I am pretty visual with everything, so if there's anything y'all need to ask me, I'll see y'all in the comment section and I'll help you out there. And those of you got a question, check the comment section. Maybe somebody's answered the question for you already. But I think this would be a good video for a person to get some ideas from. But I'm not going to yak through the whole video. I want to let y'all hear the saw and the equipment run and stuff like that. So just hit me up in the comment section if you got any questions, or loggerway.com or something, and email me or whatever. Hit fence right at the end. Great. Great. Well, we'll sharpen this saw. We'll be back, people. Yeah, Robin just said that them sharpening fences ain't much around here. Oh, this is our first fighter. What do you say?
Hopefully you're thinking the exact same thing.
Just that way and you do your thing?
Yep. Above this bullshit, you ain't gonna like what happens.
Yeah.
Lucky part about it is you'll be cutting from that side this way.
Yep.
So the chips ain't gonna be flying in your face.
Yep.
When it starts to go, it's a junker twos.
I intend.
I'm safe. It starts to go, you got it. Woo! There's my fence. I was almost done. Hit that fence. Just take a little bit. It might even go. What you think? I was gonna tell you, now these trees are gone, that might be able to go in the house. Now these trees are gone, you might be able to put that closer. Yeah. Sit here and grab it. We ain't gonna have much trouble. got much forward lean now.
Okay.
If you get high and I'll swing around when I get closer, I'll let you lift a little bit on before I cut the rest of it.
Alright, the only place I go is in between those two lips.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Lips in my way, I can't get no higher.
Once I get around, I'll start nodding my head, see if you can lift it. If not, I'll stop. It'll be safe. We get a skidder on it.
I think we'll be fine.
It'd have been a lot better if I hadn't broke that damn limb out.
It'll be okay. Now where'd that come from? That's me. Tanner? Let's play Roger. Let me get up here and grab it first, 'cause I don't know if there's any dead shit that might vibrate and fall on you.
Woo! You picked it up. That limb's way back there, so when it goes, I would track and keep following it. I'll run out of the way.
Run that away.
Yeah, I will. What about that big, you want that big poplar going or not? Take it. What about the little gum? 2 of them? We hit, did you see the limb hit the satellite dish?
Yeah, that's when we were sitting up here and I was like,
Oh
I
God!
just lost my satellite dish. So we walked over there and I was like, there's some healthy ones right there around.
Yeah,
I was like, I walked around and one don't look like it hurt it.
It wouldn't have happened so bad if I hadn't broke that limb out of that other tree. I had a malfunction with the other tree, broke the forward lean out, so then it went this way farther than it should have.
Yeah, that one you cut down there was all dead pretty much.
Yeah.
Straight out from it, about 15 feet, there's a little bare spot. That's where my dog's buried right there.
Oh, we'll try to stay out of that then.
I mean, you'll be all right.
I think you can get back. Are you okay if we back that heavy rig right there?
Yeah.
And you see what it's doing?
Yeah, you can back there.
I know it's my insurance policy. I know that it'll go when he's back there.
Yeah.
Don't forget that power line up